Hey YouTube, I wanted to get on here and show you guys something. So a couple of months back, I purchased and did a review on this Lash lift kit, which I loved, by the way. Literally after like 3 days, maybe a week, I'm not sure, I can't remember. But anyways, my eyelashes, they were curled, everything was great. But then if I zoom you in, I'm gonna show you exactly what they look like. And they are crazy. See how they are? They go every different direction but up. So when I do put mascara on, it's harder for me to put my mascara on, and I've never had that issue before until I did this lash lift. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna share with you guys on how to fix your eyelash lift or whatnot. So in this pack, all you're gonna need is just one of the solutions in here. And the one that I got was this one, and I picked it's from Icon, and I picked it up on Amazon. So it just comes with these different solutions. And this one is mine, this one's spoolie, which you're gonna need one of these, and you're gonna need the actual perm, which is the first step. Dip your spoolie inside here, and you're just going to go down with it just to make it straight. And the only thing that you have to be careful with is keeping your eyes closed. And I'm gonna do at a time just to show you how it goes, because you do not wanna get this solution in your eyes. And you just need to leave it on just for a few minutes, just so it'll like reverse the curl. So some of the eyelashes are you know, they go different which ways, so I'm gonna try and just get them as even as possible. Spoolie inside here, you just need a little bit. It's my eye. See how the hairs look kind of like crazy? They're all over the place. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just comb them down. And it kind of like reverses the actual curling of the eyelashes. Because I want them straight again, because I feel like, hoping you guys can see this. I feel like I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. I'm just putting the oil, the nutrition oil, on here. And it's easier for me to put my mascara on now, because this side looks crazy too. Now let's do this other side. Okay, let me rinse this out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat what I did to the other side, which was get this one, which is a step 3, the nutrition, and just dip it in here, get it very saturated. And then you're just going to get that eyelash. Get all the eyelashes very saturated to get those nutrients back in there. that oil. That should be it, you guys. So there you go. That is how I fixed my lash perm from them being like super crazy. So now they're like pretty separated and decent. They're not like going every which way. And remember, only just needs a few seconds, maybe like 30 seconds, 40 seconds the most. I wouldn't leave it on longer than that. And just, you know, if you need to do it every now and then, like I'd rather do it at different times than, you know, leave it on too long. Because, you know, perming your eyelashes does damage to them. It dries them out. That's why you have to put that nutrition oil back in there just to give it more so they're not like fried. If you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.